Hi guys, today I'm gonna talking about how to use the resection method to set up a station with N6 total station. If you don't know how to set up station, I recommend that you can watch our last video about how to set up a station. In that video, we have talked about some important details. In this video, we will use N6 to do the resection. When you set up the station at an arbitrary point, which you don't know the coordinates like x, y, and z, the total station doesn't know where it's placed in this world. Resection helps to define the coordinates of station if you have some other points with no locations. You can use these points to calculate where your station is. It needs at least 2 points with distance and 3 points with angles. Today we have 2 points over there. Now I'm gonna show you how to side point at first. Point it in the direction of the prism. Then we are going to tilt the optics up or down to find the exact locations. Look through the optics to see exactly where the prism is. This focus ring here allows us to focus the side so that we can see the prism clearly. The small ring here allows us to focus our crosshair so that we can see where the center is. Rotate the screw here to make the instrument go left or go right. To take measurement, we simply press the button here. Alright, let's go ahead to the program. Select Menu. The first one, Data Collect. Choose a job here. Select the fourth one, Resection. Here we need to enter the name of this occupied point at first. Also, we can ignore it. The points with no locations can be inputted or selected. Let's select work point 1 as the first point. Now we take the first measurement. Select angle or distance. Then let's move to the next point. Select work point 2 as the second point. Press Calculate. Let's have a look. And press NEZ to check the final result. The final result is northing, easting, and elevation of the current station. Now we can record it into the total station. If you want to get the result more reliable, you can add some of the other known points. Then we can start the measurement. Here is the guide for resection today. If you found this video is informative, please like this video or leave your comments below. See you next time!